Welcome to my Writing Process 20% project. This is for English class, grade level 9 through 12, primarily 9th grade. In your 9th grade class, you will be doing writing prompts. Before we begin, you will need these following tools: a pen, paper, laptop, or iPad. Something that you can type with, but primarily something you can write with. I recommend a notebook and a pen. Another thing, you want plenty of paper because you'll be doing a lot of writing, editing, revising, more writing, and more editing. Let's get started. The writing process consists of 5 steps: pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing. In this video, we will cover all of them and what you need to do to get started and to finish. Here are the 5 steps broken down so that you can see them as we go along. As you see, the final one is where you publish, and that is the main one. Now let's break it down. Pre-write, this is where you plan your writing. Writing, write your first draft. Then you'll revise, change your writing to make it better. Editing, check your writing. And publishing, you want to share your work. This is the ultimate goal, is to share our work. This is where you need to open your mind and think. I recommend being in a quiet place where you can just begin to write your ideas down and jot them down. As you write them down, this portion is called pre-writing. This is where you get your ideas out. Do not freak out, because this is where you will just jot down everything that comes to mind and begin to organize it before you start your draft. Here are some examples. What will be the setting? What are you going to write about? Who will be the characters? Who are you going to write? Think of it as making a hamburger. Topic, sentence, detail, detail, and detail, and close it up. The middle part is the main part of your writing. Here's some activities to think about: brainstorming, asking questions, surfing the net, emailing somebody. Also, do some research, do some observing, collecting data. These are things that will help you along the way. It'll get your juices flowing in your mind. Now that these ideas are on paper and they're out of your head, they're filled with so many more ideas, but I recommend just getting started and begin to write. Take your pen, put it on that paper, and write. All of your ideas will come out. Just continue to write. I promise you, it'll be worth it if you take your pre-writing ideas and begin to write. Transform them. Trust me again, this will not happen. Unless you don't have pre-write ideas, then this may happen. You'll be overwhelmed. After you're done writing, it is now time to revise. This is where you'll go back, read. Maybe you'll think of something new or want to take something out. But this is a good chance to do that. As you read, open up your mind again and begin to read it slowly. Also, think about this: revise versus edit. Think arms when revising. Add, remove, move, or substitute. Think about cups. Capitalization, usage, punctuation, and spelling. This is what we come in for editing. This is a rough part of it, but we have to get it done. This is the key before publishing. Your paper may look like this. Just think about this. Think, write, edit, polish. It's a continuous process. You have to get used to it. You will revise and edit multiple times. Stay focused and keep revising. Do not get discouraged. Do not freak out. You will revise again and edit, because the final step is to publish. This is the key part. This is our main goal. Take what we have and give it to the world. Let them see all of our hard work. Good luck.